Hello, welcome back to Prompt and Process, where we upskill with confidence, one tool at a time. Today, we are going to be looking into missing data, how you can fix missing data with Python inside Excel. Let's get started. So, imagine this, you're working on a report, everything looks fine, and then you notice it missing data, blank cells, incomplete rows. And now your simple report just got a lot more complicated. Let's fix this using Python inside Excel. This is the same data set from our last video, data frames. It's already on our Google Drive and the link is in the description. In case you want to practice along, you can download it and come along. We have name, sales, region, product and month. But if you look closely, you will see that some values are missing. And this is very common in real world data, either through omission during the data entry or just for any number of reasons. Data will be missing. First, let's bring this into Python. We'll go to the Formulas tab and open. Then we're going to insert Python. Let me close this up. And then we'll enter our data frame, equal sign. Then we go ahead and select the range we want our data frame to be. We start from the um, titles, the headers, then select all of them. Okay, and then commit, control, enter. And there we have it, the data frame. Now, this is a data frame, and Python makes it very easy to find missing values inside this data frame. As you can see in the missing ones, you have none in them. But we are going to go further. Now, let's go ahead and check what the missing data is. Okay, that's the next thing we are going to do. We click on this cell, H3, we insert Python, okay, then we write the formula, which is df.isna, then we open and close the brackets, okay, this is how it looks. Then we commit by clicking on Control plus Enter, and there we have it, okay. Now, when we click on this, it loads up. You can see false everywhere because there are not very many missing data. So you can see so many false, and here you see true is that false, is that data is missing. So how many missing values are in each column? You can already see that. Now, if we want a quick summary of the data that are missing, we can also do that. We insert Python and then we put in our formula, which is df.isna, open and close your parentheses, dot sum, open and close your parentheses. Then you go ahead and commit this, control enter, and Python works with magic. When you open this, now we can clearly see how many values are missing on each row, okay, on each column. See nothing is missing in sales. We have two missing values, region for and none in product amount. So this is a holistic view of the whole data set. Even if you have a whole number of them, it will just give you, summarize everything and give you the output. We are going to work on the sales column, the figures. There's some missing values there. We don't just want to leave them empty like that. We want to replace the nothing there with zero, okay, so that it will look more professional because we don't know the actual uh, values or figures that are there. So what we are going to do is that uh, we are going to fill them. So we'll come to we insert Python on cell H7, and then I'm just gonna paste the code here. I mean the formulas here. I'll commit it, and here is ready. So when I click on it, you're going to see that in the cells column, all the places that the values are missing has been replaced with zero. So it looks more like it now. So you can do your calculations or whatever you want to do with your reports instead of leaving them empty. We're going to do the same with the region column. Okay, we are going to be replacing them with unknown. So we insert our Python, and then I'm just gonna paste the formula there, which is region. This is the formula. You don't have to bother yourself with the formulas. You can just Google them or something. Then you commit them, and here you have it. When you click on it to see what is it, you notice that all the missing cells and region has now been replaced with unknown. They are labeled unknown now. So it's more like it, more professional, so that there won't be gaps in your reports. Everywhere is being filled, and you can do this with a huge amount of data. Python is also there to help you inside Excel. Now, let me just explain this formula. The function we are using is fillna, fillna. It simply means if something is missing, replace this with this value. That's just it. Why this matters is that in real data work, whether in your office or in your church or in your school, missing data, missing values are everywhere, either through omission, forgetfulness, or whatever reason. And if you ignore them, your results can be completely wrong, okay, giving you a falsified um, collation. So, this is one of the first steps in any data cleaning process. In our next video, we'll remove duplicate data, another common issue in Excel. Okay, so we are going to see how we can remove duplicates with Python inside Excel. If you want to master Excel, Python, automation, or any other digital tool, please subscribe to Prompt and Process. Thank you very much. Please do subscribe. And also, you can watch the playlist for other videos or tell me in the comment section if there's any topic you want to see, and I'll be sure to record them. Remember to upskill one tool at a time.